It has finally arrived! Bachmann Spock. So we have this new addition to our Bachmann Star Trek train. We are up to Science Officer Spock. Live long and prosper, and do your fingers like this. Features heavily well made up, wearing a lot of makeup. Spock with Captain Kirk. The Enterprise there. I think these trains, they do light up. It's hard to see in here. Yeah, they're light up trains. At least the cars are. So this is, if you don't know, if you haven't seen the previous videos, the Star Trek trains are through Bradford Exchange, Hawthorne Village, but they are made by Bachmann. They are in a subscription where you get one every month or 2 or 3 months. It's hard to say. It varies. I do not know how many are in the series. This one is one that I'm going to go ahead and get, even though it's highly overpriced, because the locomotive cost the same as the dummy locomotive with a complete oval of track and the passenger car and the other passenger car. That's the Kirk one and now the Spock one. So it makes no sense that this costs the same as the locomotive. The locomotive should cost more. That pack should have cost more. But these, they should be a fraction of the cost, but they know they're exactly the same price. And I'm not sure what else is going to come in this series. They're way overpriced. Way overpriced. But I buy them so that I can show you, so you don't have to spend that much money to get them. And you have to be really careful. They are adult collectibles, meaning they're not for children to play with because they break easy. I have the Star Trek one from this series. I broke it, the locomotive. So yes, they can break. I play pretty rough. So this is I really like this though. I mean, I'd rather it didn't cost so much, but it's just a neat little novelty. So which is your favorite so far? Who's your favorite Star Trek character? I think a lot of people like Spock. I'm curious to see which one is next. I'm guessing, based on the Star Trek series, and if they do this correct, it should be McCoy, Dr. McCoy, but it could be Scotty. They could be next. I think those would be the next two in the series. I think we'll see those before we get over to Sulu and Chekhov and Lieutenant Uhura and the others. I imagine that there are going to be a lot in the series, and I think some of it, they don't do all passenger cars. I bet you some of the series will be box cars. Who's going to get stuck with a box car? Probably Chekhov. What do you think? And maybe they'll have a Klingon car or something like that. So what kind of cars you think Bachmann should make for this, and how long do you think I can last in this subscription service? Because man, it's really expensive.